What we do here is go back.
To just coming on real quick to talk about how to thicken your hair. I was born and blessed with natural thick hair, but I know a lot of people don't have thick hair, so here's a few tricks that you can do. One, I'm sure you're familiar with, this castor oil. I use the one that's in the blue container. It's a small bottle I get at Walgreens. I don't have it with me. I forgot to bring it with me in the bathroom. But the other thing is, the other thing is protein. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. Protein is great for, your hair is built up and made of a high percentage of protein. And I've noticed over my natural hair journey, pretty much I've used protein. Like when I've heard people say that it breaks their hair off if they use too much protein. What I've noticed is, like, when I use an egg yolk, not really egg yolk, but the whole egg, and I put it into a conditioner, or I use mayonnaise, not really even hair mayonnaise, but just regular Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I put that into my, with castor oil and an egg. My hair the next week is like unbreakable. My hair is unbreakable, and it is just very strong, and it's really enduring. Like, I try not to manipulate my hair too much during the week, so I've been wearing it in a high bun, and I alternate my hairstyles so it's not always being pushed back, because you can also have breakage on your temples and your edges if you constantly wear it in the same hairstyle. So what I've been doing is just pretty much doing a lot of different versatility with my hairstyles, and pretty much just really making sure I get that protein, oil, and the balance between the water, moisture, and protein. Those three key ingredients of really moisturizing and making sure you have protein and then having a balance, you will see an increase in hair growth and also thickness. Now, thickness is also based on hereditary in your genes, so it's not guaranteed that it may not work depending on, your roots and your family background, but it's worth a try to get, put some of that castor oil in and incorporate it in your wash day routine, where you actually put the castor oil in your conditioner. Like, for what I do, I use the deep treatment mask, and this is by Nubian Heritage. I'm sure I have spoken to you about this before, but and also for thick 4C hair, you want to use a thick conditioner, because the real liquid and thin conditioners don't work. The only time I really use a liquid conditioner is when I'm blow drying my hair. When I blow dry my hair, which I was going to do a tutorial on blow drying my hair, but because I blow dry my hair twice, and that's really within a complete month of blow drying, because I wash my hair every 2 weeks, I need a break from the heat. And right now it's like 90 degrees, so I prefer not to even blow dry. It's better. My hair absorbs better with moisture in the heat. So as long as I'm keeping it moisturized, my hair will grow better. And it's because I've noticed also heat, natural heat in the summer, that's when my hair grows the best. So I want to keep the artificial heat out of my hair and really just kind of let the natural heat penetrate, so it will kind of absorb all that moisture and keep it between the humidity. It keeps it moisturized. So this is the coconut leave-in moisture. It's a nourisher, coconut milk nourisher, and this is by Design Essentials. So I just got this not too long ago, so I've been using this when I blow dry. But this is a liquid leave-in. So I love it. It doesn't really detangle as much like I thought it would, but it does soften your hair, and you can get the comb through. It doesn't have slip, but it does work, and it helps moisturize your hair. So I still will use this, and I'm going to be using my conditioner. And I'm also going to use this as a deep moisture milk souffle. Is the Coconut Mani Design Essentials. So this is family. So I am definitely going to be using this together. So this has helped my hair grow. I can't talk enough about this. This is life. This is breath to my hair. And I'm going to be putting this on and just twisting it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try doing a perm rod twist. So I'm going to be using these perm rods that I got. And I'm just going to actually, I'm not going to do just a rod twist. I'm going to actually twist it and then rod it. So it's going to be crinkly and curled. And I was going to actually do the main Crystal Orchard Biotin Infused Styling Gel. But I'm thinking I may not do that. I may just use my Wrap Set Mousse Lotion. So I may do that instead and just make sure it's smooth when I'm twisting and rolling, because it's not going to come out right if it's not smooth. So I normally have I didn't bring my brush with me, the brush that I just purchased that has like 3-dimensional layers. I had spoke about that on my blog, and I think I had shown you in one of my past videos. I may upload it so you can see that video, but I talk about the 3 brushes that I've purchased from Amazon. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. I hope to upload a video of me blow drying my hair, but it probably won't be for another couple months because I do want to take a break from blow drying my hair. So if you have any other questions, just drop the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that channel, hit that button so you can get the latest uploads, and hopefully I'll be uploading something. I'm trying to stay consistent, but as you know, life happens and you cannot always get a chance to make a video and upload, but as I come up with ideas, I will upload new videos. So thanks for watching and have a great summer. Bye bye.